I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the car and entering the livery editor. This puts you in control of layers and decal placement. Once in, choose the window surface or add a new layer specifically for glass so decals won't affect body panels. Make sure layer visibility is on and name the layer to avoid confusion later. Now select the decal tool and a simple shape as a base. This first step gets you into precise placement mode without wasting time on irrelevant menus. Continue by placing the decal on the glass and using move, rotate, and scale controls. You want small increments for tight alignment. Once done, mirror or flip the decal if you need it readable from the other side, and reduce opacity for realistic tinting. Layer stacking matters. Put decals intended for the interior behind transparent layers and group related elements so you can edit them together. Make sure to check alignment with grid or snap tools to keep everything straight and consistent. Finish by saving the livery and applying it to the car, then immediately test in free play to view decals from multiple angles and during replays. If everything looks good, export or share the livery if desired. If decals disappear or look wrong, check layer order and opacity first. Glass layers must be on top or use correct blend modes. Also confirm decal type supports transparency and clear the game cache or reload the livery if problems persist. That usually fixes lingering display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.